Hello everyone, my name is Madhyamika and today we are going to start a new series that is based on MCQ pattern. We will cover all the RS Sarma based on MCQ pattern. So first we are going to discuss ancient history. Let us start with the first question. Question 1. When people are called civilized? Option A, when they know writing. Option B, when they don't know writing. Answer A. When they know writing. Question 2. Which ethnic group contribute evolution of Indian social system, art and architecture? Option A. Pre-Aryan. Option B. The Greek. Option C. The Hunas. Option D. The Turk. Option E. The Indo-Aryans. Option A. The Scythians. And the answer is all of the above. Option A, Option B, Option C, Option D, Option E and Option F. Next question. Sangam literature are belong to which text? Option A Sanskrit, Option B Tamil, Option C Pali, Option D Prakrit. And our answer is Option B, that is Tamil text. Next question. Sangam literature belong to which period? Option A 300 BC to AD 600, Option B 250 BC to AD 100, Option C AD 326 to AD 500, Option D none. And answer is Option A 300 BC to AD 600. Next question. According to the excavated evidence, the domestication of animal began in Option A Lower Paleolithic period, Option B Middle Paleolithic period, Option C Upper Paleolithic period, Option D Mesolithic period. And answer is Option D Mesolithic period. Next question. In Mesolithic context, evidence of animal domestication has been found at Option A Langhanaj, Option B Birbhanpur, Option C Adamgarh, Option D Chopani Mandu. Answer is Option C Adamgarh. Next question. Robert Bruce Fort, who discovered first Paleolithic tool in India, was a Option A geologist, archaeologist, paleobotanist, and Option D both A and B. Answer is D. Option A and B. Next question. The 3A system divided into stone, bronze and iron from the collection of Copenhagen Museum was coined by Option A Thomson, Lubbock, Taylor, Child. Answer is Option A Thomson. Next question. From which one of the following sites bone implements have been found? Option A Chopani Mando, Option B Kakoria, Option C Mahadaha, Option D Sarai Nahar Rai. Answer is C Mahadaha. Next question. Bone ornament in the Mesolithic context in India have been obtained from Option A Sarai Nahar Rai, Option B Mahadaha, Option C Lekhagya, Option D Chopani Mando. Answer is Option B Mahadaha. Next question. 3 human skeletons in a single grave were recovered at Option A Sarai Nahar Rai, Option B Damdama, Option C Mahadaha, Option D Langhanaj. Answer is Option B Damdama. Next question. The earliest evidence of man in India is found in Option A Nilgiri Hills, Option B Shivalik Hill, Option C Nalla Malla Hills, Option D Narmada Valley. Answer is Option D Narmada Valley. Next question. The first cereal used by man was Option A wheat, Option B rice, Option C barley, Option D sorghum, and the answer is Option C barley. Next question. From the earliest evidence of agriculture in Indian subcontinent comes from Koldihava, Option B Lahura Dev, Option C Mehergarh, Option D Tokawa, and answer is Lahura Dev. Next question. Name the site which was revealed the earliest evidence of settled life. Option A Dholavira, Option B Kilegul Muhammad, Option C Kalevangan, Option D Mehergarh. Answer is Mehergarh. Next question. The earliest evidence of agriculture in Indian subcontinent comes from Option A Koldihava, Option B Mehergarh, Option C Lahura Deva, Option D Tokawa, and answer is Lahura Dev, Option C. Next question. Which one of the following period is also known as Chalcolithic age? Option A Old Stone Age, Option B Copper Age, Option C New Stone Age, Option D, iron age. And the answer is option B, copper age. Next question. In which state of India is the Harappan civilization site Mandi situated? Option A, Gujarat. Option B, Rajasthan. Option C, Haryana. Option D, Uttar Pradesh. And the answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. The cultural remains from Stone Age to Harappan civilization have been obtained from which one of the following ancient sites? Option A, Amri. Option B, Kordiji. Option D, Mehergarh. Option D, Kalibangan. And the answer is option C, Mehergarh. Question 2. Consider the following statement pertaining to the Ahar civilization. The native of Ahar knew copper smelting. Option B, rice was unknown to them. Option C, metal work was one of the means of economy of the Ahar. Option D, black, red colored pottery have been found here, on which generally white colored geometrical designs have been carved. And the answer is A. A, C and D are correct. Means the native of Ahar knows copper smelting and the metal work was one of the means of economy of the Ahar. And the option D, black red colored pottery have been found here, on which generally white colored geometrical designs have been carved. Next question. The orche colored pottery OCP was christened at Hastinapur. Option B, Ahichatra. Option C, no. Option D, Redpur. And the answer is Hastinapur. Next question. In which state the Navda Toli is located? Option A, Gujarat. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Chhattisgarh. Option D, Madhya Pradesh. And the answer is D, Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Excavation at Navda Toli was coined by option A, K.D. Bajpayee. Option B, V.S. Vankankar. Option C, A.D. Sankalia. H.D. Sankalia. Option D, Mortimer Wheeler. And the answer is C, H.D. Sankalia. Next question. Megalithics have been identified as option A, caves for hermits. B, temple sites. C, burial sites. None of the above. And the answer is burial site. None of the above. Next question. During the Neolithic age, the earliest evidence of the origin of agriculture has been found at which of the following place in the northwestern region of Indian subcontinent? Option A, Muni Dhagak. Option B, Mehergarh. Option B, Dambasadat. Option D, Balakot. Option E, Amri. And the answer is B, Mehergarh. Next question. Ash Mound is associated with the Neolithic site at option A, Budihal. Option B, Sangana Kullu. Option D, Kuldihwa. Option D, Rahamagiri. And the answer is B, Sangana Kallu. Next question. Bhimbedka is famous for option A, rock paintings. Option A, Buddhist statue. Option C, minerals. Option D, origin of Son River. And the answer is A, rock painting. Next question. Which of the following Indian archaeologists first visited Bhimbedka caves and discovered prehistoric significance of its rock painting? Option A, Madhav Sarup Vasta. Option B, V.S. Vakankar. Option C, H.D. Sankalia. Option D, V.N. Misra. And the answer is V.S. Vakankar. Next question. Bhimbedka was discovered by option A, Dr. H.D. Sankalia, Dr. Shyam Sundar Nigam, Dr. Vishnudhar Vankankar. Option D, Rajballi Pandey. And the answer is C, Vishnudhar Vankankar. Next question. In India, from which rock shelter pictures have been found the most? Option A, Gangharia. Option B, Bhimbedka. Option C, Lekhakia. Option D, Adamgarh. And the answer is B, Bhimbedka. Next question. Which one of the following places is famous for prehistoric painting? And the answer 1A, Ajanta. Option B, Bhimbedka. Option C, Bagh. Option D, Amravati. And the option is B, Bhimbedka. Next question. Where are the caves of Bhimbedka situated? Option A, Bhopal. Option B, Panchamadi. Option C, Singrauli. Option D, Abdullahganj, Raisen. And the option D is correct, Abdullahganj, Raisen. Next question. In this Chalcolithic period, people of Maharashtra buried their dead under the floor of their houses in the following orientation. Option A, north to south position, east to west position, C, south to north position, D, west to east position. And the answer is north to south position, option A. Next question. Which of the following site has yielded skeleton of the dog along with human skeleton in burial? Option A, Brahmagiri. Option B, Burjahom. Option C, Churand. Option D, Musky. And the answer is B, Burjahom. Next question. From which rock shelter of Vindhyas a maximum number of human skeleton have been found? Option A, Morohana Pahar. Option B, Ghagharia. Option C, Baghahi Khur. Option D, Lekhakia. And the answer is Lekhakia. Option D. Next question. The evidence of burying the dog with human body is found from which of the following places? Option A, Burjahom. Option B, Kuldihwa. Option C, Chopani. Option D, Mando. And the answer is option A, Burjahom. Next question. Given below are two statements. One is labeled assertion and the other as reason. Assertion A. The Stone Age people of the Vindhyas migrated to the Ganga Valley in Ternal Pleistocene period. Reason: due to climate change. It was dry phase in this period. Choose the correct answer from the code given. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B. Both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. And the option A is correct means the Stone Age people of the Vindhyas migrated to the Ganga's valleys in terminal Pleistocene period because due to climate change. It was dry phase in the period. Next question. The evidence of pit dwelling has been obtained from option A, Burjahom, option B, Kuldihwa, option C, Brahmagiri, option D, Sanghana Kalu. And the answer is option A, Burjahom. Next question. Match the following. So from one side we have Burjahom, second one Chandra, and third one is Ganeshwar. We have to match the following with the Burjahom, cut shrines, Ketu Garha, terracotta art, copper artifact. And the answer, consider which of the following is correct. So the answer is D, 2 and 3. Chandra belong to Ketugarh terracotta art and Ganeshwar belong to copper artifact. Next question. Which of these department ministries deal with the Archaeological Survey of India as an accessory office? Question A. Option A, culture. Option B, tourism. Option C, science and technology. Option D, human resource and development. The answer is 1. Belong to culture. Next question. Where is National Human Museum situated? Option A, Guwahati. Option B, Bastar. Option C, Bhopal. Option D, Chennai. And the answer is Bhopal. Okay friends, so today we are discussed around 40 questions based on the MCQ. We will cover more questions like this MCQ pattern for today. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.